Getting list of parameter names inside Python function. Possible duplicate, getting method parameter names in Python. Is there an easy way to be inside a Python function and get a list of the parameter names? For example, thanks.
Well, we don't actually need inspect here. For Python 2.5 and older, use func_code instead of _code_, and func_defaults instead of _defaults_.
Locals returns a dictionary with local names. Prints the list of parameters. If you use other local variables, those will be included in this list. But you could make a copy at the beginning of your function.
If you also want the values, you can use the inspect module.
Christmas